With BigLockDaddy out at OSW now. He's showing me the brand new modification for the V6 Charger right here. Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like this on a V6 Charger.
We'll see how it runs, man. Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Today on BigLockDaddy's garage, we're going to be doing some track testing out at OSW on the Nitrous V6 Charger you see here. Everything's in, everything's ready. We're not going to test it on the streets of Mexico. So we're just going to go ahead and take it right to the track and see what happens. Should be interesting. We're going to meet Liam Zanoa from Liam's YouTube channel out there. He's got a 2008. This is a 2010, so we're going to stack them up side by side. He's not tuned or anything. So we're going to see what the base model does versus this. We're looking for a new personal best tonight. So it'll be interesting to see if we can get there. If not, hey, so be it. It is what it is. But everything's in, and that's what you'll see coming up here. So we're gonna head out there, meet up with him, and we'll get into our first race coming up next.
I have never seen anything like this on a V6 Charger. Not on a, dude, on anything this year. Not even an SRT or a Hemi, bro. That's just crazy, dude. Hoping for that 13.99, right? 13.99? We'll do it.
This is a switched arm in the system.
Cool.
We've got our purge,
I got
which
you.
the tube is right in front of my face there. So I
see.
And then low key down in the corner right here.
Yeah. How much did you pay for that thing?
The kit itself cost about $600, and it came with a throttle position sensor.
That's really good. $600. That's not
I
bad.
don't even use the TPS. That was an extra $100. So you could actually pick up a fly-by-wire kit from Nitrous Express for $450, $500.
No way.
Put it in just the way I did.
Dude.
Comes with all the hose, comes with everything.
See, to me, this is the most worth it performance mod I've seen yet, other than like exhaust, obviously, cold air intakes, basic stuff, but like tuning, like you can't do much with these cars other than build the engine swap it, or add forced induction.
Yes, we got to do all motor. I want to see where it's at right now, because I did upgrade the coils. I put a set of MSD coils in it and put a set of E3 plugs in it. So I'm really
seeing how that feels. Yeah,
it's gonna give me an extra 10, 2/10, whatever.
Yeah, like a little bit, a little jump at the beginning. Yeah, right. I feel you.
It's not too bad out tonight. It's fairly warm.
It's nice. It's a nice day, man.
So coming in cold, this is actually not a bad run at all. 1607, a .098 reaction time. The 60 foot's a little bit high, but we're looking all right for an all-motor pass. Okay, I do not know what the hell just happened. That was fun. I have no idea. I am just, huh? I felt it. I surely felt it. Hey, what's up? Thank you.
Same shit every day.
I hear you, brother. Okay, that ain't right. When I saw this slip, I friggin' knew something was wrong. I just ran a 1607 with no nitrous, and I was all over the button on this pass, so I don't know. Something was wrong, and I had to figure it out quick. Something ain't right. Something did not run right. Dude, what the hell happened on that run?
I don't know. Did you spray that time?
Yeah.
Like when? I don't know how.
When I got into 3/4 of the way down the track, all of a sudden when I was hitting the button, it was actually slowing the car down.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. That was really, really freaking weird.
So what? You said it felt like your car slowed down there towards the end, right? Instead of actually speeding. Yeah.
Big Lock dumbass. What I did was, so we figured out our nitrous problem on the first run. We ran against Liam, but the nitrous, I had the line switched and they were backwards. I had the fuel line in one, I had the nitrous line on the other. The jets were in the right holes, but the wrong spots. So instead of creating a good situation in which the nitrous actually boosts me up, I created a bog down situation and the thing fell on its face. So I've already switched my lines back and forth. Here we go.
Left lane 1570 at 92 miles an hour, right angle 1609 at 86 miles an hour.
So right before this run, I had indeed locked my keys in my car. I did not turn the nitrous bottle on after I dealt with that fiasco, so I just had to accept what happened here. And it wasn't a bad run for what it was. And that didn't go right either. Nothing's going right tonight at OSW. Your night's as good as mine. I just locked my keys in my car. I'll see you in a few.
I got that on video.
That's good. I didn't even use the nitrous.
Really?
When I was purging it, I realized I didn't open the tank.
So you gotta open the tank now and then run again? Well,
What I should have done is I should have opened the tank like I was purging, and that's how I knew I was out. Because I purged and I go, wow, that looks a little light. And then I purged and nothing came out, and I go, I didn't open the tank. Nitrous pass, here we go. Once I managed to open that tank and use the system properly, even though I was outmatched next to the Corvette, I managed to run a 90.14 mile an hour and a 1576 ET. I was so happy. It was time to let the juice loose. We're good. good run. That was a good run. 90.54, 1572. Here I was getting better and my 60-foot times were getting worse. I don't know. I don't know what was going on at this point, but I was starting to run better on a 50 shot. It was starting to feel a little more natural. I'm 5 races in for the night. And now I'm heading back to the pits for what looks to be my last race for the night, and it will be my last one. But I'm actually going to go up against a car that's got a much bigger motor than I do, and we're going to see how that turns out right now. Was horrible, but I beat him. I gotta learn how to drive this thing. Well, that did not go the way I planned it to go tonight. I was really hoping to get into the 14s, maybe a 1399, and that didn't happen. The Nitrous works really good. Getting it out of that second gear and into third is being kind of tricky. So we'll see what happens on the next time we come down to test. So it'll be interesting, I think. Hopefully that'll be my best time. I have a feeling it will not be.
Guess what?
15?
No, we're done.
Oh. See you next week. Thank you. Okay, I don't even understand this shit. Now that's how you go out. Best time of the night so far. The car was feeling really good by the end of the night, but as you saw there in the video, I struggled a little bit with the change from second to third, which I'll talk about in just a minute. Well, I wish we could have done better tonight at OSW, but 1570 is what I ran the last pass at 85 miles an hour. I didn't look at any of my time slips, but I'll tell you what, I haven't felt comfortable in this car all night. I locked my keys in my car. Thank you, Liam. Liam's a no. Thank you so much, brother. It's been great having you out at the track tonight. We're going to do some more videos with Liam coming up because he's got another V6 charge, and I'll tell you what, he's a lot closer to me than I would like him to be. But then again, I'm only spraying 50 right now, and that's what I got out of it. I turned the timer all the way down so that I could basically just get max boost out of everything. Were I to wind the car out in second gear, I'm still having a problem getting out of second gear. I tried to let up a little bit on that go, but for some reason the transmission just didn't. It held. It didn't want to shift. So if it doesn't shift right away, it's not going to go until it hits 6,200 RPM. Which, out of the first, when I'm spraying out of the hole, I like it. It's great. I mean, I took down the car that was next to me. I definitely took him down. We both ran, what was it? That's why I took him down. My reaction time on that one was a 0.25, right? Quarter of a second. His reaction time was over a second, 1.09. So there is oh, that's the dude that had the problem with the broken axle, I think. I ran a 1570, 15709. He ran a 15703, so his ET was faster than mine. But I got off the line first and probably crossed. I I crossed the start-finish line about a second ahead of him, which wasn't bad. If I'd have just kept winding it until it, I should have just stayed in it. That's the last thing you want to say on the way home from OSW. Hey, I should have stayed in it, man. Boy, hindsight's 20/20. It'll kick you right in the ass. But hey, you know what? A bad day of testing is better than a good day at work. And when your testing is your work, hey, I don't know what the hell that means. But, so we locked the keys in our car. That was fun. Never done that before. Had to kick the freaking back and kick the back thing out. I mean, there was a kid that came in. He was awesome. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. The 50 shot helps. It definitely helps. I can feel it in the seat. The butt dyno says yes. Yup. It's great for the torque. It gets this thing moving, but getting it moving faster is what we need to do. That's what I'm trying to, that's my hopeful goal. Again, I want to run 13s. I don't know if I'll make it there. We'll see. Time will tell. But for the first time out with a nitrous bottle in this car, I'm nothing but happy. I got to the track today and I couldn't run anything under a 16 without nitrous. I had 2 passes without it. So that was a fun night at OSW. We got to meet a bunch of people. Got to hang out with Liam. Very cool dude. Very cool. So we're gonna pull in, get some gas, head home. But thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video we're going to test the 100 shot out at OSW. We might even throw down a little bit of money, see if we can't make a little something. So we'll see you then.